I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the Xbox. This prevents shorts and preserves diagnostics. Once done, set it on a soft, flat surface and remove the vertical stand. Next, peel back the rubber feet and use Torx T8/T9 drivers to remove the visible screws. Keep them grouped by position so reassembly is straightforward. You're starting the shell separation now, so maintain firm, even pressure, and you now separate the top shell by inserting a plastic spudger into the seam near the front. This keeps the finish unmarked. Once the tool is engaged, work methodically toward each clip. Release them one at a time so the stress is distributed. Make sure the shell lifts evenly. If it resists, check for missed screws. When the shell is slightly raised, look for ribbon or fan connectors and disconnect them carefully so you don't yank a cable or damage the board. You finish by lifting the back panel clear once all clips and connectors are free. Do this slowly to reveal the internal frame and fan assembly. When reassembling, reconnect any cables first, then align edges and press down along clips in sequence so everything seats evenly. Replace screws in their original holes and reinstall rubber feet. Troubleshooting. If the shell won't close, stop. Inspect for a missed screw, a trapped cable, or an unseated clip. Forcing it can strip tabs or crack plastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.